a quick doodle, and I don't know what's happening to my mouse. Okay, just whatever. Let's go. Headphones. Okay, I think I got this. Oh gosh.
I see notes.
What
Potatoes.
did you say?
So
Notes.
I know. It's headphones.
Speedboat. I'm just thinking how I'm meant to do. Oh gosh.
I see a line.
It's hard to do because I got a plaster
I see
on
a pillow.
my finger.
Or keyboard.
How do
Or
this
canoe.
speedboat?
Or bathtub. I see a hot tub.
It's something.
Or cruise ship.
Don't.
I see a basket.
Don't judge me by my drawing.
Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
Flip flops. Okay, I got this.
I see a line. I see a leg. Or hockey stick. Your remote control. Your marker. I see a crayon. Your shoe. Or hot dog.
Shoes.
Your
Your
backpack.
clothes. How don't you know what these are? Flip flops.
I'm stumped.
Common.
Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
Calculator, really? Calculator? Oh, sure then.
I see nails. Or stairs. Or doors. Or square. Your cooler. I see a cell phone. I see oven.
Cell phone?
So
Yes,
I know.
you're
It's calculator.
Yeah, I've only got two out. Two out of 6.
I see a moon.
How good is that?
Or circle.
0.
Or potatoes.
Oh,
I
I know!
It's
It's clock! Yes, you're correct. Map. So, guys, we're probably
I
going
see
to
nail
have 2 rounds
or
of
square.
this.
I see a pillow. Or picture frame. So I know.
It's
map.
map! Yes! You got 4 out of 6. Play again. Camel. Did they say camel? Yeah, it does.
I see a street light. Or finger. Or wine
What
bottle.
is this thing?
Or giraffe.
Giraffe, I guess, yeah.
I'm
because
stumped.
it did a long neck. Don't be stumped.
I'm not sure what that is.
It's a camel!
So I know.
Yes!
It's camel.
Yes! Yes! He's actually got it. I'm so surprised at that.
I see a line. Or skyscraper. So I know. It's door.
Door!
I see diving board. Or pillow. Or toothpaste. So I know. It's camera.
Stereo. I could do it like a box, if you know.
I see a pillow. Or square. Your camera. So I know. It's stereo.
Cow. Okay, I'm not very good at drawing animals. So,
I see a line. Or arrow. Or flying
I
saucer.
do it on the laptop.
Or flamingo. I see a horse. Or camel. Or dog. Or bear.
It's a cow. I can do
Sorry,
it.
I couldn't guess it.
Toaster.
I see a squirrel.
I wish
Or
I
pillow.
had these things right next to me.
I
Go
see a bread.
downstairs, get a toaster.
Or pool. So I know.
Can I get
It's
a
toaster.
toaster, please? So, yes. Can I have one more round? I think. Lighthouse.
I see a finger. Or paper clip. Or hat. Or
So
diving board.
probably my bro's gonna be doing the
I see a
videos
mountain.
as well.
Or skyscraper.
If you know
Or finger.
what I'm trying to say,
Or shovel.
yeah,
I
it's
see
hard,
toothpaste.
Sorry, but
So I know. It's lighthouse.
2 seconds it got it. 2 seconds and it got it. Brain.
I see stairs.
I say it's
Or mushroom.
easier to do this on phone.
Or bush. Or cloud. I see a sheep.
Just really whatever.
Your mouse. Or camel. Or squirrel.
It's cloud. It's
I see dog.
rain. I even got it wrong.
Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
Raccoon, shake it.
I see a spoon. Or peanut. Or garden hose. Or the Great Wall of China. I see a key. Or roller coaster.
It's a big
Or
fat
camel.
raccoon.
Or police car.
Yeah,
I
and
see
it's
a crocodile.
It doesn't
Or
look
dragon.
like a
Sorry,
You
I couldn't
couldn't get
guess
it.
it.
cat and think it says camera. For camera, I'll do both.
I see a seesaw.
I do a camera.
Or shoe. Or hot tub. So I know it's camera.
Okay, where's camera? Couch.
I see
What's
a garden
that
hose.
one?
For bow tie.
Oh, bow tie, yeah. I think that's a good bow tie.
I see a seesaw. Or anvil. Or shoe.
Or
Or bread. So I know it's couch.
Broccoli, I think it says. Guys, if I get these
I
wrong,
see notes.
I say these wrong,
Or leg.
I'll just go back.
For megaphone. Or windmill. Or lighthouse. I see a
It looks
paint
like
can.
a tree, so you can
So
see-
I know
oh,
it's broccoli.
how did you guess that? So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please smash that like button. And smash that subscribe button. And turn on the extra notifications. Bye!